So there's Jen with a beer and a snowboard.
I'm already tired.
And Laura is coming to sled.
You go first. This one's gonna go faster. Oh shit.
That one's gonna go faster. The green one.
The green one will go out faster.
Way faster.
I can't get my... Holy fuck.
Dang, Laura.
Okay, hold on a second.
Yeah. Yeah, you gotta drink a little bit. We're approving underage alcoholism.
Okay. No.
No.
We're gonna freaking kill each other.
Woo, Laura!
Not going away from me!
You guys aren't even going. Ooh, nice butt. Are you wearing underwear?
Yes. I think this one is gonna go so fast. I don't think I should wear my new sweatshirt. Can you go get me a different sweatshirt, please?
I'm recording.
Well, I think that's the farthest I'm gonna get. I don't want to get my sweatshirt dirty.
Turn it inside out.
I don't want to get my sweatshirt dirty. I think I need a running start.
Here, no.
I don't want to get my sweatshirt dirty. Oh, God.
Yeah! Woo!
This needs a handle. Jen, your top's gonna come off.
Just take it off.
No. You want me to help you get in the board? Just step on it for me. It's not steep enough, Jen. What's not steep enough? This
It is to snowboard because she can move her feet.
you gotta move your foot. There. I'm moving it. There you go. You gotta get it in more. Come on, girls. You got all day. Can you grab me with the snowboard on? Are you sure?
All of it.
Oh, Burr, dude, you could have sat on my feet.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, you're so close.
Help her up, Laura.
Okay, ready?
No, stop.
Moon me before you go. Oh, I can see your underwear now.